Do you know how to use layout on Instagram story? Another tool you may use to add numerous photographs to an Instagram story is layout mode. You may build Instagram collage with layout mode without having to download any other application. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I am going to show you how to use layout on Instagram story. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom bar. Tap on Story. Tap the layout icon on the left side of your screen. Tap the photo icon in the bottom left corner of the screen to open your camera roll. Select the photo you want. Repeat it. Once you have finished creating your collage, tap the check button at the bottom of the screen. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to use layout on Instagram story. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.